Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to use DeepSeek on your mobile in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to use DeepSeek AI in a phone, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To use DeepSeek on your mobile phone, first of all, download the DeepSeek app from the Google Play Store or App Store. You can also use DeepSeek on your mobile browser. Once the app is installed, open it on your phone. Now, tap on Sign Up or Log In, and sign in using your email address or Google account. After signing in, you will be taken to the DeepSeek home screen. Now, tap on the new chat or message box to start a conversation. Type your question, prompt, or topic you want help with, and tap on Send. DeepSeek will generate a response based on your input. You can continue chatting, ask follow-up questions, copy responses, share chats, or explore other available features.